In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to duplicate an email campaign in MailerLite, so you can save hours of design time by reusing your best layouts and content blocks. MailerLite is one of the most popular email marketing platforms for creators and small businesses because it balances powerful features with a clean, intuitive interface. And duplicating campaigns is one of those hidden workflow shortcuts that can seriously speed up your email production. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your MailerLite account. Open your preferred browser and head over to the MailerLite website. You'll see the login button in the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click that. Enter your email address and your password on the login screen. Then click the login button again to access your main dashboard. Your dashboard is the command center where you can see an overview of your subscribers, your campaign performance, and your recent activity. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, just complete that step and you'll be right where you need to be. Once you're logged in and looking at your dashboard, you need to open the Campaigns section. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a vertical navigation menu with several icons and labels. Look for the option that says Campaigns. It's usually represented by a little envelope or paper plane icon. Click on that and MailerLite will take you to a list that shows all of your existing email campaigns. This page might be organized by status, drafts, sent campaigns, scheduled ones. So take a moment to scan through and find the campaign you want to duplicate. Maybe it's a weekly newsletter that performed really well, or a welcome sequence you've already built out with all your branding and content blocks. Once you've spotted it, you're ready for the next step. Now, let's locate the specific campaign you want to copy and access the duplication option. In the campaign list, each campaign has a row that shows its name, status, and a few action buttons on the far right side. Look for a small icon that looks like 3 dots or a pencil. That's the Edit button. Click that button and a drop-down menu will appear with several available actions. You might see options like Edit Design, Edit Content, View Report, or Duplicate. The menu layout is clean and straightforward, so the Duplicate option should be easy to find. If you hover your mouse over it, sometimes MailerLite will give you a brief tooltip explaining that duplicating creates an exact copy of the campaign, including its design, settings, and content blocks. Go ahead and click Duplicate from that drop-down menu. MailerLite will process your request in the background. It usually only takes a second or two. The platform will create a brand new copy of your original campaign, and you'll see it appear in your campaign list almost immediately. Look for a campaign with the same name as your original, but with the word copy appended to the end, like weekly newsletter copy. Take a moment to verify that the copy was created successfully. You can click on it to open it and quickly check that all your content blocks, images, and layout settings have carried over intact. One common pitfall to avoid here is accidentally duplicating a campaign more than once because you clicked the button multiple times. Just click once and wait for the confirmation. If you need more than one copy, you can always repeat the process. The last step is to rename your duplicated campaign so you can keep your workflow organized and avoid confusion when you're sending. Click on the duplicated campaign to open it in the editor or the campaign overview. You'll see the campaign name at the top of the page, usually in a text field or a title bar that you can click directly. Click on that name and it should become editable. Now enter a new name that clearly identifies what this campaign is for. Something like Weekly Newsletter, February Edition, or Product Launch Follow-up V2. A good naming convention is crucial for email marketers because when you have dozens or even hundreds of campaigns in your account, a clear, descriptive name saves you from having to open each one to figure out what it contains. After you've typed your new name, press Enter or click somewhere else on the page to save it. MailerLite auto-saves your changes, so you don't need to hunt for a save button. So to recap what you've accomplished, you navigated to your campaigns section, located the email campaign you wanted to reuse, used the duplicate action from the Edit drop-down menu, and then renamed the new copy to something meaningful and recognizable. Duplicating an email campaign in MailerLite allows you to reuse successful email designs and settings without starting from scratch. By reviewing the content, recipients, and campaign details before sending, you can create new campaigns faster while maintaining consistency across your email marketing efforts. One next step I'd recommend is to open the duplicated campaign and swap out any placeholder images or text that are specific to the original. Don't accidentally send old promotional content to a new audience. Also, double-check your recipient groups and sender settings before you hit send, because the copy carries over everything, including the original send date if you're not careful. If this walkthrough helped you save some time, Please consider saving the video so you can come back to these steps whenever you need to duplicate another campaign. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing!